Hi friends, this is Anshita, little princess. Today we're going to kangaroo white kangaroo park. It's gonna be really fun, and there are lots of white kangaroos. And here we are at white kangaroo. Look at all that white. That is all the white kangaroos. And it's so cool because there are multiple. There are white ones and there are brown ones. But we're only searching for the white ones because the other ones are just too normal. And plus, there are more things added. There are even peacocks there. All sorts. If we just go zoom out. Let's zoom out a little more. Okay, good. Now we're here. We're gonna go to another little search. It's so cool. Over there, look at that. A brown kangaroo. I told you there's both. And if we go more, we can zoom in. We actually will be zooming in later on. And this is really going to be cool. Well, I am telling you. Did you know there are even in there, they also have their very own pool to swim and drink, but they don't swim, they drink. Those are the peacocks. Look at that. There are 6 of them. It's so cool. And plus, they have 2 really cool things. And bye friends. Like and subscribe to Ansel Little Princess. Bye.